Hi, time travelers. I'm Justin, and can a fish harm water? Let's think about that. So what is the fish in question? That's right, the snakehead. And this is for school, so Thursday I'll make a nerdy episode. So what is a snakehead? Well, a snakehead is an aggressive predator that feeds on fish, frogs, aquatic birds, and in some cases small animals. It grows up to 40 inches and can weigh over 15 pounds. Also, it's really ugly, but tasty. The snakehead can also survive in waters with very low dissolved oxygen and is faced with if faced with deteriorated environmental conditions, can actually move over land and has been known to survive out of water for a period of 3 to 4 days. I know! Monster. River monster. Jeremy Wade. So, what is bad about a fish and how can it harm water? Water isn't actually alive, but organisms live in the water, and there are ecosystems in the water. In September of 2003, the Wisconsin DNR caught giant snakehead in the Rock River while doing while testing for samples. Ecosystem impacts can be that the northern snakehead, which is also an invasive species here in the US. Fun fact, the snakehead is actually from Africa, or is native to Africa and Asia. Its native range, which is about 24 to 35 degrees north, and temperature tolerance, which is 0 to 30 degrees Celsius, or 32 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, indicates that if introduced, northern snakehead populations could become established throughout most of the contiguous United States. Because of their feeding style, they can outcompete popular sport fish such as largemouth bass. Biologists are also concerned that they could introduce parasites and disease that could harm the native species. So basically, we're afraid that they can harm the native species with parasites and disease. They could outcompete most fish. They could establish population in an area, and this is bad. Like, the whole not living thing for the rest of the organisms in the water is bad. But I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, leave a comment. Also subscribe to become a time traveler today. And next video, I'm going to talk about how Mario could be evil.